After uploading your student and staff data into People Manager, navigate to the ID Manager. This is the ID Manager. From here, all staff can view any student's ID by clicking on the View ID icon. Every Minga ID includes two key anti-fraud features. The flash across the front of the ID and the clock counting up by the second at the top will animate when the ID is online. Look for an accurate time when checking IDs so you know you're looking at a live ID and not a screenshot or screen recording. Minga's digital student ID card links students directly to required support resources by phone, text, and chat. By tapping the hotline icon, students have quick access to both the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline and the National Domestic Violence Hotline. Customize the support information shown on the IDs by navigating to the Settings tab in ID Manager and editing the Suicide Hotline page settings. You can enter local helpline information in Add Custom Info. From here, you can also update your school information, the color of your IDs, and decide which personal information should show on your IDs. You can enable additional ID fields if required for purposes such as staff job titles or other identifying information, such as severe allergies. If these additional fields are enabled, you will be able to manually update individuals in People Manager or update them via importing a list. Individual teachers or staff can be given additional permissions to manage IDs by adding them here as ID managers. Now it's time to add your students' photos to their IDs in the Photos tab. We support two methods for bulk importing photos. Our best practice is using Option 2 in Minga ID Manager. For Option 2, student photos need to be saved as their ID number, which allows the photos to automatically match to each student. To upload photos via Option 2, click on the icon. Then, select all of your unzipped photos for uploading. Photos will now be uploaded and matched to the student. For students who do not have a photo as part of the bulk upload, you can upload individual photos by searching for the student in the ID Manager dashboard and clicking on the No Photo Available icon. On a desktop, you can upload a photo from your files, or from the mobile app, you can take a temporary photo on your mobile device and upload it directly to the student's ID. All individually uploaded photos will be marked as temporary. Use the No Photo or Temp Photo filter to see which students might need to come in for retake day. You can export a list of these students. To make a temporary photo permanent, click the Temp Photo button in the student's ID record. Now let's add some digital stickers to show membership affiliations, lunch passes, free periods, and more. Go to the Stickers tab in ID Manager. Click on Create Sticker. Choose an image. Or upload your own. We have provided a Canva template in our resources. If you create your own, please ensure the image is a PNG with a transparent background. Click Select. Name your sticker. Set your sticker priority. Priority 0 is the highest priority and will ensure this sticker appears first on the digital ID cards. Click Create. Click Add. Upload a CSV of ID numbers, search by name or filter by group, grade, or role. And select Students. Click Add. Click Save. The sticker is now active and will appear on assigned student IDs. Click Inactive to remove the sticker from appearing on IDs. You can see all students who are assigned to a sticker by clicking on the number under Members. The No Access sticker is used primarily for temporarily or permanently removing event privileges from individual students. This sticker will always show up first on IDs for a visual check when students show their IDs. The default No Access sticker also links to the Minga check-in module and can automatically deny event entry to any student who has the sticker.